Now today we're going to talk about the gig economy. Now, if you are one of my gig economy subscribers, then this is for you. Stick around because we're going to talk about DoorDash. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes, but I know the working is beautiful. MKS, but left as well. I'm doing DoorDash in the South Bronx, in the buggy down Bronx, in the South Bronx. The South Bronx is made of mostly high rises and projects, which is not ideal for you to do DoorDash or any delivery service that you're liable for tickets, right? That's why I haven't done it for such a long time, because it doesn't make sense. It's not logical for you to make an $8 order and get a $100 ticket for double parking. It doesn't make any sense. So on my first day, I'm gonna talk about my first day real quick. My fears of doing delivery service and my philosophy of doing delivery service in the city came true my first day. I got pickups and calls in really extremely busy intersections, like 149th and 3rd Avenue, which is extremely busy. I got another call in Southern Boulevard in Westchester, which is extremely busy. And I had to pass people smoking weed, high, on drugs, high rises, project buildings. I'm like, oh my God. But you know what? It was my first day. So I was like, you know what? I need to get pushing because I need to learn the ropes. And the only way to do that is by going through it, right? So I pushed through at the end of my shift. I don't remember exactly, but I put the screenshot right here somewhere. I think for like about 4 hours of work, I gained 30 bucks. I think it was 30 something bucks. None of them gave me a tip, bro. None. Did I continue doing a DoorDash? Well, the short answer is, there it is. This is the DoorDash Starter Kit that you get when you start doing calls, and they send it to you. I think it has like the card, like the red card in there, which I'm gonna do a little small unboxing right here, because I have never seen like somebody do an unboxing. So let's see what's in there, because I don't really know myself. So let's do it right quick. So yes, I did continue doing DoorDash, because even though I had a really horrible first day, and my fears were realized on that first day, I got through it, you know? If other people are making money doing DoorDash, then I'm gonna make money doing DoorDash too, you know? I'm gonna learn the ropes. So, first off, they give you the red bag. Oh yeah. So they give you the red bag, which you could put the food in it so it can stay warm and good, and you can get good ratings and all that gish. Let me see if they have something inside. This is how it looks inside. That's like a little plastic divider or something. There you go. So it saves, and it has DoorDash on the side. That's pretty cool. They invest on you. And then they give you this, which is or DoorDash mask. Well, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna use this. And then we got the red card here, which I don't know if I'm supposed to show you the card number, but okay, let me just show you. This is how it looks. Meet the red card, right? And this is to, let me see. You're the boss, earn extra money, choose your own hours, dash anywhere. Yeah. From what I was told, this card is to pay for the orders that some restaurants don't let the customers pay online. So you pay for it, then you take it to them, and then DoorDash charges them, right? Something like that. That's what I got. So I'm gonna use it today when I go out to do some DoorDash in the afternoon rush. So I'm gonna use it today, my first day. And what else is in this bag? Oh look, they give you DoorDash hand sanitizer gel right here. Ain't that dope? It's pretty cool. I like it. I actually brought myself this right here, which is a hand sanitizer like this, because you know you're touching a lot of stuff, you know, and you want to keep clean. So that's what's on the DoorDash Starter Kit, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna leave that here because I'm gonna use it later. So there it is, guys. That was my experience doing DoorDash for the first day. It wasn't that great, no. It's not worth it. No, thankfully I didn't get a ticket because I would have been pissed. I would have been in debt going to work. It's like getting fired on a day off kind of thing. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna keep doing DoorDash and probably go into Uber Eats as well until I get hired by another company so I could have stable money. And then I will still be doing DoorDash and Uber Eats on the side to get the extra cash, but not keep it as a main job. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give me a like on this video. And if you're doing DoorDash and you understand my pain, then give me a like on this video as well. Until next time, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.